Hello guys, my name is Urvi and I'm spending a week in this beautiful cottage resort named Goyam in Arambul, Goa. The reviews of this place is literally amazing. So tonight we are having a short interview with the owner of this place, Mr. Ajay, and his better half, his wife, Mrs. Anastasia. People call her Anna. So let's go.
That's a skill of forgetting. You're going to find out. So, if that was all it took.
So how are you guys?
Good,
Very
you.
good. Beautiful place indeed.
Thank you.
So, like our viewers and even we want to know, how did you guys meet? How did this happen?
You speak.
So she was a guest here and I was managing the property.
Okay.
Then she just exchanged the numbers and like she needed something with the South Goa help.
Oh,
Then after she went back, we started to chat and become friends.
that's great.
And then slowly the love happened and then she came to visit me 2 times here.
Oh,
Then we decided to get married.
so beautiful.
And I went to Prague and
Yeah.
we got married there. So it was a Indian wedding in Germany and
Oh,
Christian wedding in Prague.
that's great.
Yeah. But
So basically, where are you from?
I'm from Czech Republic, from Prague.
Oh, okay.
But I'm half Greek, so
Mix.
yeah.
So what basically is Goyam? Why Goyam?
Why Goyam? Goyam, it's like it means Yamraj.
Oh.
Go away. It's like only positive energy, positive vibes. Negative energy, go away.
That's great.
Yes. So it's like it was started by my partner and I was working for him, and he is like a very much experienced guy, worked in Holland and all the top 5 stars. Then he developed many properties in South Goa and this one he developed here.
Oh, okay. So, since how many years has this?
This place is here last 10 years.
10 years.
Yes.
That's pretty great.
Yeah.
So, what were you over here? Like, what was your designation?
I started from scratch, like I was doing the service and taking care of the bar and all. Then like in 3 months my work was really good, so he made me the manager.
Oh,
And then I was working here 2 years and I decided to move to Europe.
okay.
With
For
her.
further studies?
No,
No,
not studies.
Uh-huh.
Because of the marriage.
And yeah.
Okay.
Then he was thinking like to close it down, but I have a very big emotional connection. So I told I cannot see it closing down, so I'm coming to take care.
Take care.
Then he left it on me and like we decided to go on partnership.
Oh, that's so cool.
But we already had in mind, like, we want to be like 6 months in Goa, 6 months in Prague, and we was
Oh,
thinking how to make it, and it came like that.
We were thinking to start a new place in
Yes.
Goa.
Okay.
But then he was like he's already many years into this and he's already in 60s.
And he's
Oh.
tired already, right?
So he decided to finish and then he handed me over it. He's kind of a guru and a kind of uncle to me. So
that's so sweet.
now he is having a new place in Pune. It's a bakery, posh one.
So, Goa is Goa.
Yes.
That's really great. So, since morning, I've been observing that many people come here for work purposes. So, what would you prefer more, work or stay?
See, the general vibe of Goyam is completely different. It's like for this COVID situation, it's like going with vacation and all. But general Goyam, it's like we have 90% foreign clientele.
Okay.
And we have like tie-ups with the yoga retreat groups. So they come with their teacher and they book the place and they do their yoga, and then we have many travelers, backpackers, or people coming with the family from different countries. They stay here like 10-15 days. So their concept of travel is completely different. They
Different,
choose a
yeah.
place, they just want to relax out of the busy life,
True.
and it's like completely a natural place, so they love to stay here, and it's by the ocean, so they
Yeah.
just can just go swim and relax, chill here.
It's a walking
It's a
distance, so yeah.
homely feeling. Yes.
But
So
the season is
Yeah.
different. So many guests came here and they are working. They were staying, I don't know, 3 weeks.
3
also
weeks, yes.
1 month.
oh.
This season, like, we have vacation, so many people are like staying 1 month and walking from here, enjoying the homely vibe,
Yeah.
and the general foreign clientele that we have, it's like how to say, it's an individual cottage, so it's like they have it a feeling of a house.
Yeah.
And something they miss is the sun,
Sun.
because it's too cold in European countries and Russian countries,
Yeah.
and so they love this ecological way of getting back to the nature.
True, true.
It's like understanding the nature and living the luxury life and being comfortable with the basics, and cleanliness is
Yeah.
what is required. Things has to be clean and everyone is happy.
So sunsets always melt hearts.
Yeah.
So what's the best time to visit over here?
The best time starts from mid-December till end of Feb.
Okay.
It's like lots of things are happening and like everything is like active here in Arambol.
Yeah.
It's mostly a artistic beach, so there are many events happening, many sessions happening, many yoga retreats happening during
Okay.
this period. So it's that's the main season, but the flow is always there after October. Once the monsoon finish, the flow starts
Okay.
and it goes till end of April.
Oh, okay. That's great. So any suggestion for our viewers?
Like for the viewers, it would be the best thing is like I guess we have forgotten to understand the nature. It's better we get back to as much into the nature as we can,
As
and
we
just
can,
to feel the sand on the bare foot and feel the trees, just touch it, and it has a different energy to give.
Totally.
And also Arambol is like free, like
Yeah.
a hippie place. So you really forgetting the normal life and you just
True.
being yourself here.
Because if a vacation becomes busy, okay, you have to travel here
Travel,
and then all
yeah.
the
Yeah.
time, then it's not a vacation, it's like a work again.
Work again.
Because in regular life we are working a lot, and like we don't have time to understand and sit back and relax and see what's going on in life.
Yeah.
So it's better to have a vacation where you can just give yourself 4-5 days and to chill at
Relax.
the same place and just to understand, feel the ocean and everything.
So is there any franchisee of Goyam, or are you thinking to expand it?
We are on an expansion mode. We are looking for new properties. So once something comes good, we'll be always going ahead. So we already have a property in Maldives, which is also by the ocean.
Oh,
Yeah, and it's also guest house, nothing luxury, the basics, but very clean.
budget friendly.
Budget friendly, and it's by the ocean, and it's a beautiful place. And very small, only 4 rooms are there.
Oh, that's so sweet.
In local island.
Maldives is a very expensive
Yeah.
destination, but we have done it like very budget friendly. It's like very easy to go and like have everything.
Yeah, actually.
So for 2 people, it comes around $60 bed and
That's
breakfast.
right.
Okay. That's so great. That's so great.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys, for
Thank
this
you.
interview.
It was really nice talking to you.
Same here.